A recent New York Times article identified 6 personas of online sharers. Boomerangs share information to get a reaction and to feel validated. They're empowered by social media and tend to use both Twitter and Facebook. Connectors are creative, relaxed, thoughtful people who use social media as a tool to organize their social lives offline. Altruists are helpful, reliable, and thoughtful people who only use email to share. Hipsters are creative, young, and popular and use social media to share content. Selectives are resourceful, careful, and thoughtful people who share informative content via social networks as well as by email. Careerists are savvy business networkers who mostly share content on LinkedIn. The same article said that these are the most important reasons why they share content: to bring valuable and entertaining content to others, to define themselves to others, to grow and nourish relationships, for self-fulfillment, to get the word out about causes or brands. This sounded somewhat idealistic to me, so I checked what internet users themselves say why they share content. A recent survey revealed these reasons here, and there is a certain degree of agreement. 44% said, "Because I find it interesting, entertaining." 30% said, "Because I think it will be helpful to the recipients." 15% said, "To get a laugh." 7% said, "To generate thoughtful ideas or discussions." 2% said, "To promote my ideals or beliefs." 2% said, "To help people get to know me." Another survey found following more specific reasons in decreasing order of importance: to help someone who would benefit, to give back as I benefit from sharing, to inform others about products I like, to show my enthusiasm or dissatisfaction, to be part of a community, to be seen as an expert or as cool. A Social Times blog post stated that content is shared to evoke laughter, inspiration, cuteness, originality, shock, surprise, and nostalgia. Insightful as they are, these diverse results reveal that, not surprisingly, sharing in the digital age is a continuation of how human beings have always connected with each other in their communities long before the web. We have to have something to talk about, to laugh about, to learn from, to grow as a society, and to discuss when there are threats affecting everyone. Sharing isn't anything new. Humans have always shared content in one way or another. From oral histories around the fire to troubadours to water coolers and coffee bars, we digest content and then we want to share it and discuss it. It's a fundamental fuel of communities offline and online. But the common denominator from the psychological perspective of the individual who shares content seems to be validation and self-actualization, two very strong motivations. When you see something that's funny or shocking, you want to share it to see if others agree. When it comes to humor, for example, laughing alone isn't real fun. We are social animals at our core, so we want to do things together with others, not alone. We know that perceptions are subjective, but when others agree with us, they become objective. The belief has been held throughout history that when 3 people state the same opinion, it becomes a fact.